Alright guys, we are back. So let's see, today we got an trade, right? So we have a daily rejection in EU. We saw what do we call it, a rejection weekly. We close a bearish candle as well, daily as well is close a bearish. It does move to this high, right? It does move to this high, and then it does have a swap above this high and then rejection, close bearish. And it is a NFP day that day, and I get one loss, and then I got one break even and one loss for the day. And I'm back today, right? I'm back today, and let's see, we got any trade, right? So weekly time frame, we are still in this level right there, and daily as well, opening like that. So we saw that basically after the price break above this high and swap above this high, we got a close bearish, right? So we're going to think about this first, right? Where is the price more likely to do? Where is the price more likely to draw with? This low, daily low, flip down, completely flip down, or even tap this high as well. We don't know. Let's see today, right? After the NFP day, and we are back today. This week, let's see, we got any news or not. This week we got CPI week. This week is a CPI PPI week, which is not bad at all. I'll say CPI and PPI week. Alright, we are currently back to the point, and we still in the point. I would say still in the point. Let's see today we got any trade, right? So we are back, and we are back today. This one is our Asian high above this high, Asian high above this high. We got our daily high as well above this high, daily low below this low. It's already formed before, already dropped to this low before tap back up, right? Let's see a weekly level, weekly rejection. This candle, we got a fair value gap rejection. And what is the price is most likely to do is that it have a high possible to move all the way back down, swap this low, swap this low, swap this low as well for this week. But I don't know which date or when these things will happen, but it will happen, but I don't know when, right? That's the things. And we have an Asian low right there as well, Asian low below this low as well, right? In daily bias, in terms of daily bias, right? Basically because of this ranging market, right? I would say I don't have a clear daily bias for this, but I do want to see how these things react on some point of interest, right? For example, fair value gap or even order block, right? We're going to know which is the price is going to move. And basically, right, because of a weekly and daily, it closed bearish as well. You see how this thing's closed bearish after tap into this fair value gap, right? And we do have how many? Is it 50% on it? Haven't tapped into the 50%. It do have a closing bearish right there. We can anticipate that the price have the possible to move lower, right? And daily candle as well, we saw that basically the price have break above this high. I already said that in my life, the price have the possible to move above this high. Yep, it do move above in NFP. After that, what happened? It just dropped close bearish on this candle, but not even close above this high. This liquidity being swept close below. We have the possible that the price have to move all the way back down this weekly level, all being swept, all being tapped out, right? All this daily level being tapped out. So I'll say I kinda bearish in the market, but I'm not sure how bearish is it, right? So that is for GBP. So that is for EU. So for GBP, right? Let's see the GBP one. So GBP, we got weekly level, we got daily level as well. We saw basically, this weekly close bullish as well. This one close bullish, this one is close bearish for the candle. Let's see. It's interesting to see that this one and this one right there, right? This one is close bearish after pumping up. Let's see a daily candle. Daily level. This one is holding as well. This one is holding as well. Break above is close bearish for candle. This one as well is close bearish. Tap into this fair value gap. It have the possible to move up. I don't mind it, but yeah, let's see how these things move. I don't know how. I don't have a clear target for this because right now in daily it's just ranging on it. But we can have a daily bias in lower time frame like 1 hour, 4 hour, and just trade for direction for this. Alright, so we have our opening as well. Have our opening for daily candle, daily open right there. This week we got CPI as well. Right. We have weekly opening as well. The price have the possible, if this react bullish, the price have the possible to move up to this weekly high as well, right? If next few days the price have a bullish momentum and break above this, at least, right? At least if the price have the momentum break above this 50% on it, right? After break above this with 50%, you have a high possible to meet this weekly wick, right? Weekly high, I mean. So yeah, and the price have the possible to get into this 50% of the fair value gap as well. Already get into this, have the possible to break above this high as well. But let's see how these things react first. Let's see the 1 hour candle. We have a 4 p.m. We have a 8. Oh, nice. We saw a price have moved above this high. Asian high basically is above this high. If we consider the swing high should be this, and right now the price is tapped into this level right now. The price have the possible to move up to this high as well, the weekly high as well, which is this high, right? This high right now. We can plot it up first. It just comes back down like NFP, right? NFP, it comes back and then comes back down. This order block is holding. The order block is holding right there. This order block is holding. And then shift right there. See that? This shift. We saw a shift right there. We can aim for a price to move all the way back up to this level. If you want to be more swing, right, you can aim for this high. If you just want to be more intraday, you can aim for this high as well, which is our 50-minute high. Yep, 50-minute, this high, this order block right there. Aim for this high. It have the possible to move up. Compared to this low, right? This one is Asian low. Which one is more possible to move to? You think about this first, right? This one is Asian low, right? Asian low. Asian low is below this low right there. Think about this. Which target the price is more likely to move to? Is it this high? Is it this low? If it is this high, you can just basically place the trade right there and just aim for this high. I mean, you can do that, but for me, I'm not, because the risk to reward I don't think is good. I want to see some retracement first. See the 50-minute candle for this. This one is 7, no 8. I want to see the 8 one. 8, right? This. Does it break the 8? Yes. Right there. This one is 7 a.m. Say 7 a.m. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Yeah, it do break the 7 a.m. for GBP, but the EU it doesn't break 7 a.m. high right there. This one is forming a high right now. Forming the high. This one is forming a low. If following this, right? Let's see the 1 hour. Fuck, I just wanna open 2 of this. Let's see this one. 7 right, 7 right there. See this 7. This one is forming high already, but this one 7 right there haven't break above the 7 yet, right? This one haven't break above the 7 yet. So basically, based on that, you can know that basically in daily and also 1 hour just now, we can know that this one is more bullish, right? This one is more bullish. This one is more bearish. Based on that, you can trade for this, right? Trade for this, for price to move up to this high. We have a 50-minute bearish candle. If good, right, it can be react on this level as well. Yep, it have the possible break Asian high as well. High possible break Asian high. Price most likely to move to, I would say, this daily candle. See that? EU daily candle. You see the EU daily candle? Which is the price most likely to move to? We can aim for the daily high as well. Daily high this high. See that? 1.05694. 694. Yep, right there. Flip the daily high. Have the possible to flip the daily high as well. 694 is somewhere right around this. Yep, this candle right there. This candle. I don't think today have any trade for me. I just want to anticipate. I just want to see how this market move. Only by that. If the price have the momentum to come back down to this level, then I will consider to take a buy. To this, I would say to this high right there, 50-minute high, 50-minute high, this high right there. because it's already break the Asian high already, being break, and yeah, it does close above as well. I just want to wait for retracement if okay. If it doesn't retrace to this level, I don't mind it. I will not participate in this market. Maybe. Let's see. Have the possible move above this 4 level right there. If you want to scalp, you can aim for this level. If you want to scalp, you can aim for this level. Same thing to this. You can aim for this level as well. Which I do want to see a daily candle flip up. Like flip above this. Have a bullish candle form. Which take the Asian high up as well. If you comes back up right there, right, before you're taking a trade, think about where does the price most likely to move to. And I'll say I have a journal. I'll share the journal in my videos. So the journal, right, talk about the journal. So I realized that when I get into the market when it's NFP week, I'll have a loss for the week. I definitely have a loss for the week. So I'll consider to not participate in NFP week because I already record my journal for 3 months ago. Before 3 months ago, I was like not disciplined, right? Not disciplined. I just trade like random trades. So, and I started to journal. And I realized that until now, right, 3 months later, until now, I realized that when I participate in NFP week, it have a loss. Every single NFP week, I have a loss. So I would say I try to be not participate in NFP week, which is the first week for the month. Yeah, first week for a month, and yeah, I just participate for the 3 weeks, and the result maybe will be more good. The performance, I may pass the prop firm as well. I can pass the prop firm as well. Right, let's see, right, that's the things that I anticipate today. So if you saw my last live stream, I have 1 losses because of the NFP day, right? 1 losses and 1 break even. Basically it's 1 break even and 1 losses. Yeah. And for the week, last week I have negative, I think it's 0.5, something like that. Yeah, negative 0.5. NFP week, fuck bro, I don't like it. Right now I just try to avoid the NFP week. try to see how these things move only today. Maybe not participate in that, maybe yes, I don't know. Should see how these things move first and see how I want to participate on. If the price have to comes back down this level, I do want to see some confirmation first before I taking a trade. 30-minute close bearish this candle, but in daily is favorable. Take a buy to this level, this 50-minute high as well. It have the possible to move up to this previous daily high as well, but maybe not today. I mean, this is freaking right now is bearish, daily candle bearish. Have the possible to move up to that high as well. If it want to move up to this high, right, it doesn't have SMT anymore when it comes to this high. This week we got a CPI week as well. This week I got something to do as well. Maybe not fully commit in trading this week. Let's see. Oh, right, this comes back down right now. This comes back down. If you have any question, can ask. If it comes back down, right? If it comes back down, what is the what is the things that can verify my entry, right? I do want to see if the price comes back down, right? Comes back down. I do want to see the price close above this opening, right? Close above this opening first, and then move out. That's my entry. Stops below the low, below this 5-minute order block. Just aim for the high taken out. That's the plan for me today. If it doesn't have any trade, I'm not going to force it. Because when you try to force something, the result will be bad for you. I mean, yeah. Try to not force something happening. Like, I think it's last Thursday as well. Last Thursday, I anticipate the price to move down as well, and it do move down, and then it just closed below, and then I didn't take the trade and I end the stream. This is what we call discipline. We need to have a discipline, follow our plan, because the reality of trading is boring, right? It's fucking boring. It's not like fancy shit. It's not like happy, sad, or some shit like that. Yeah, you have emotion, but I mean, it's boring, this game, if 90% of the time you just want to wait for a side up. price comes back down this area. This order block as well, 50-minute order block. This one we doesn't have any order block. We got 5-minute order block right there. But higher time frame we don't have any order block for this. We have fair value gap as well. We have fair value gap right there. Tap into this 50-minute order block. What next, right? What is the next thing, right? 50-minute order block right there. See this big gap, big order block, and this 5-minute order block as well. Just ranging on it. After tap into this, ranging, boost above the high, and haven't tapped into this high yet. I mean, it have the possible to tap into this high. It do have a reaction on this order block as well. 5-minute order block right there. 3-minute order block as well. But I wanna see, I wanna have a bigger time frame confirmation, like 50-minute, like 30-minute as well. Bigger time frame confirmation can really give us more confidence when comes to execution. Like this high being close above, like 50-minute, this high being close above, like these things, right? It gives us more confident for us when trade that higher time frame confirmation. But everything have bad and good, right? If you just want to wait for the higher time frame confirmation, you may miss out the move. But for me, I was like nothing for me. Basically, I was like nothing for me, because I do want to have a higher time frame confirmations so that I can take the trade. If you don't know how to calculate the lot size, you can use this tool. If you know already, you can manually calculations or whatever you want. But for me, I'll use the tool. I'll use the tool. It's kind of good for this tool for us. Right, it do tap into this. If 50-minute close above this order block, I would say we can consider to buy it. We have 5 minutes left. The price, it doesn't tap into this order block right there, right? It doesn't tap into the 5 minute, this order block. We got 2 order block can consider for this. The first one and the second one, which is this one, right? If the price not going to tap into this, we don't force the price to tap into this. It can tap into this, and I do want to see a 50-minute confirmation first before taking this. 50-minute confirmation before taking this. Yep, that's the things that I want to see. Like if you want to sell, right, you can't ignore this big huge candle push up, right? If you want to sell, can't ignore that. You need to follow that. Let's see this 15-minute close above this high should be good. We have S&T as well. This one making high, this one is making low, right there. We can aim for this high as well, or when the price close above this 50%, we can break even already. Not 50%, I mean close above this 50-minute order block. we can break even already, and then just aim for this high being taken out as well. But comes back to these things first. I do want to see a close bullish candle for 15 minutes so that we can take a trade like this, and stop just placed below the low. Just aim for this high taken out as well, like this. First target, second target first. $15 should be close bullish first, then I will consider that. If not, I'm not consider to buy it. Let's see the lower time frame. We got any SMT or not? We have this low, this low, this low is lower than this low. This high, stop just placed below this low candle. Below this, or even below this fair value gap low, right? Yeah, below the fair value gap low as well. This FVG, see that? Below the FVG low. But just want to wait for 15-minute close first, right? My entry, if 15-minute already close, should be 1.27611. 1.27611. Stops should be 1.27541. 1.27541. Risk 0.5. 0.36. Alright, no trade first, no trade. 15 minutes is not good. 15 minutes is not good. 15-minute close bearish though. The hell? Like, still wait first, still wait first. The plan is changing, but still we can looking for buy for this level taken out. This level taken out right there, because we can't ignore the push as well. We cannot ignore the push. Oh my god, this no bottom make form is crazy though. No bottom make form is kinda crazy right there. Alright, just wait first, wait for a 15-minute close as well. If 15-minute kind of good for close bullish, let's see. I do want to see a shift in lower time frame as well, but I do want to see a 15-minute close bullish first. Then I can take a trade. Let's wait for 15-minute close. And 30-minute close as well. 30-minute close, 15-minute close. This level can be entry. This level right there, 30-minute level, which is this level right there. Stops just placed below the low. Aim for this high taken out first target, second target. Wait for 15-minute close. Stop loss below the 50-minute fair value gap as well. This one should be moved out. We saw pumping up. We saw the 5-minute order block is holding. 5-minute order block is holding. I do want to see a 30-minute this close above this high. Then I can place a trade right there. is this 621. 621, yep, 621. 621. 21. Stops below 40, yep. 32 lah, 0.32. 0.32. Aim for the first, the second, three one, right? My entry is 321. 21. 21. Still have 50-minute left for the close. Aim for the high taken out, which we just wanna aim for somewhere right around this area. Yeah, this level right there. I mean, let's see though. Let's see. Half the possible, I would say. We have 10 minutes left. Once again. GBP, how much? 0.32. 32, alright. $4 is a good good bullish candle as well. Good bullish candle for 4 hours as well. Oh my god, this 4 hour crazy, bro. This 4 hour candle is crazy as well. Like crazy push up as well. Stops can be maybe below this, can be below this low right there, but 1:1 is not preferable. This one should be good. 50-minute low, I mean this FVG low as well. The pump up is kind of crazy as well. If the price have closed above this high, I don't want to see the price come back down, which means that my entry should be somewhere right around this area right there. This, and then stop just same right there and just aim for this high taken out. Oh my god, it's a negative risk too low. This is my second what we call it, second plan, right? But no, if it close above, I'm not taking a trade anymore. I'm not taking a trade anymore. At least I want to see some retracement. I buy at a high though. I just want to see some retracement, by the way. Or even we can entry right there, also can. Which is, I do want to see this pump up as well. 30-minute, good for that. Close above should be good. Just aim for this level entry. We have 8 minutes left for the close. Stops below the 50-minute low. Family gap low. I'm not interested on this right now. I'm not interested on this push. At least I do want to see some retracement. Maybe today is no trade day, I don't know. Let's see. If I entry right there, it should be 27633. 0.272. Have 5 minutes left for the close. Have a 5 minute left for the close. Four-hour close as well, right? 5 p.m. 6 will be a 4-hour close. Like it doesn't retrace, I don't want to take a trade anymore. I'm not interested on this anymore. If it just pump it up, I doesn't interesting on this anymore. By the way, just let it be. We have 5 minutes left for the close. 1 hour close as well. If it have a retracement, should be good. As long as it's close above this high, I'll take a buy, right? As long as it's close above the 30-minute high, I'll take a buy. Stops below the 50-minute low as well. Fair value gap, 50-minute fair value gap low. We still have 4 minutes left for the close. Just going to be chill on it first. If 30-minute close below this, I'm not going interesting on this. My entry is 633. 0.27. Let's see. If it doesn't have retracement, I'm done for the day. Alright. Not going to be formal for this. Doesn't mean anything basically, these things. Just wait for retracement. Once again, if it just break above the high, I will not participate in the trade. I'm done for the day. If it comes back down for 5 minutes, comes back down right there, still have a chance for entry. Aim for the high, aim for this high, and if break above, I will enter another position, aim for this high. That's all my plan. Daily candle, it have a possible flip to that high as well. We have 3 minutes left for the reaction. Oh shit, still pumping up though. Alright, I'm done for the day, no trade day. Alright, that's all for the day, no trade day today. It doesn't retrace back. instead it break above this high, and yeah, 2 minutes left, it have the high, it have to move to the high already. So I anticipate this happen, but I can't catch it, right? I can't catch it. I just want to wait for 50-minute close above, but it doesn't happen, and right now I just pump it up. Aim for this 50-minute high being taken out right there. So yeah, I don't think today have any trade, and that's all for the day. I'm done for the day, and see you next time. Peace out. No trade day.